Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for AWS Amplify storage. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build scalable mobile and web applications. Amplify Storage provides a secure and scalable way to store and manage files in your application. To get started with Amplify Storage, you need to set up an AWS account and install the Amplify CLI. Once you have installed the Amplify CLI, you can initialize a new Amplify project and add storage to your project. The first step in using Amplify Storage is to configure your storage settings. This includes setting up your storage bucket and configuring access controls. You can do this by running the command amplify add storage and following the prompts. When configuring your storage settings, it is essential to consider security and access controls. Amplify Storage provides several security features, including access controls and encryption. You can use AWS IAM roles to control access to your storage bucket and ensure that only authorized users can access your files. Another critical aspect of Amplify Storage is file management. Amplify provides a range of file management features, including file upload and download, and file deletion. You can use the Amplify API to manage files in your application. And you can also use the AWS Management Console to manage your files. To optimize your Amplify storage, consider using caching and content delivery networks. Caching can help improve performance by reducing the number of requests to your storage bucket, while content delivery networks can help distribute your files across different regions. Best practices for Amplify storage include monitoring your storage usage and optimizing your storage costs. You can use AWS CloudWatch to monitor your storage usage and receive alerts when your storage usage exceeds certain thresholds. In addition to monitoring your storage usage, it is essential to consider data backup and recovery. Amplify Storage provides several features for data backup and recovery, including versioning and cross-region replication. You can use these features to ensure that your data is safe and can be recovered in case of an outage or disaster. In conclusion, Amplify Storage provides a secure and scalable way to store and manage files in your application. By following best practices, such as configuring security and access controls, managing files, optimizing performance, and monitoring storage usage, you can ensure that your Amplify storage is secure, scalable, and optimized for performance.